You submit the thing.
Nanma, I have recorded everything. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And here is Mr. Nirmal Ranjit Kumar Jo, winner of the photography competition. So how are you feeling?
This made my day actually.
Sorry?
This made my day actually. I was a bit tired of the walk.
You have actually written that you like to meet new people and getting out of your comfort zone. Please tell me to what extent it is true.
I got best flatmates and few members also in flat. I think this. Thank you.
This is all lie. He never steps out of his room. Always in his comfort zone. So yeah, this is a lie that you have written on your photo. I just read that. Hi.
Thank you.
We are going to university. Bye bye. See you soon. Why are you not going outside? It's a good sunny day anyway. See? It's not cold. It's not that much cold.
New things, help facilitate collaboration, and it felt really good to be adding something into these scenes rather than just taking out. And I think that was core to the way that people felt about us as a brand operating in these spaces. For a brand like Red Bull that had
गजब बेइज्जती है.
So today we have decided that room पे जाके हम सो जाते हैं या और कुछ distract हो जाते हैं. तो today we are staying at the university and we will study here. So पढ़ाई से पहले थोड़ा खाना. तो we are at the terrace searching for something to eat. Yes. क्या खा रहा तू? Decided? I am planning for pizza. I would like to have a margarita pizza.
Margarita.
Yeah, pizza seems really nice. अभी खा के देखते कैसा है. Hopefully अच्छा होगा.
Chicken.
तेरा तो सेम है. मार्गरीटा एंड चिकन.
Chicken.
बस कर.
How is the taste? That is different from the basic which we.
बहुत अच्छा. I liked it.
क्या हो रहा है सृष्टि?
खाना खत्म नहीं हो रहा.
Come on सृष्टि, you can do it.
I don't want to.
क्या आज ये पिज्जा खत्म होगा?
नहीं होगा.
क्या ये पिज्जा खत्म होगा?
तुम्हें आधे घंटे वेट करना पड़ेगा. I guess. मेरी स्पीड 100 से 25 पे आ जाती है. मेरा पेट भर जाता है.
What about?
और ये जाते हुए
स्टोरेज भर जाएगी. छोड़ना एक
क्या
ही
ये
bite.
लास्ट बाइट जाएगा? क्या इसकी किस्मत में लिखा है जाना? या सृष्टि गिव अप कर देगी?
मैं कर चुकी हूँ.
कर चुकी है. सैड.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
और ये लास्ट बाइट जा चुका है. क्या बात है? तालिया तालिया तालिया. और सृष्टि अब पूरी तरह से नींद में जाते हुए.
अब मेरे को बेड मिल जाएगा, मैं सो जाऊंगी.
असाइनमेंट्स करने की बात हो रही थी, यहाँ सोने की बातें हो रही है.
असाइनमेंट करना है, शाम को बाहर जाना है ना. गिल्टी नहीं फील होना चाहिए.
पार्टी करनी है.
हाँ कैसा लगा इतना पढ़ के?
बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरलोड हो चुका है सब कुछ। अब नहीं,
अब नहीं हो
पढ़ाई के बारे में
पाएगा।
अब खूबसूरती देखिए, अब तो दिखाई दे।
हाँ मैं भी देख लेती हूँ ना थोड़ी थोड़ी। So guys, we are going for an event at the Oxford retreat. So कोई hospitality का event हो रहा है. So the Brooks Union is organizing that. So me, Varat, Shraman and Addison are going, and so many other people are coming there too. So let's see how the night goes. Hi.
Namaste.
No.
Everybody is wearing black only.
हाँ.
Even the guys who are coming from behind are also wearing black.
Black gang.
Black gang. Nice jacket. That's
हाँ.
nice.
Days later.
Hi guys, so what day is today? Thursday. Today is Thursday and yeah, say hi.
Hey guys.
We are going to explore a Chinese place and yeah, we are just walking. Let's see how it goes. Bye bye. Hi.
Yeah, it's always my fault, isn't it?
Oh my god, my eyes fell out. It was too much. And the next time I just put like this much, and that was spicy, but I still could eat it. I dumped the whole sachet into it. I died that day. Oh my god.
vegetarian 是的，就像茄子包，还有红烧豆腐包，
锅包肉，
锅包肉，
酸菜，
菜鱼，生菜鱼，
还有那个蔬菜脆面，
素菜脆面，
咦，
是杂菜吗？
杂菜。
I want beer actually.
So guys, Jammer needed some air. That's why we came out. What are you doing here? Do you want to go in Sainsbury or not?
That's it.
No, it's just
Okay,
Sainsbury.
so-
I'm just in Sainsbury.
Basically,
So guys, हमारा खाना आ चुका है. So we are going in now. We got a call from Shamak that food has arrived. Ooh, that looks delicious anyway.
This is vegetarian. This is vegetarian.
This is vegetarian.
This is vegetarian.
Oh,
This is
nice.
okay, so I'm doing this.
It's okay?
Oh, you guys.
You can use it.
Yeah, no shot. I can't.
You just jinxed it.
I'm not sure.
You guys just jinxed it for me.
Like we usually eat with rice, but I'm not sure whether
And Nanma, are you going to try? Yes.
See, this.
like this rice.
Right back
Rice
in
is a
there.
side dish.
Oh no, like it's a main dish. So we eat like this. I'm not sure if this is too quick. I don't know.
Good stuff.
So is it too much?
Cheese rice.
Why so?
Cheese
Ha.
rice. Who is it? Yeah, this is appetizer. Get on. Okay, okay. Oh my god.
See? You already have it.
Raise your
You
plate.
are nice.
Where is your plate?
What?
Where is your plate?
It was here only. I don't know where it went.
It's alright.
Use the microphone.
Nanma, I have recorded everything. Yeah, this is mine. This is the vegetarian one.
This is I forgot the name. It's a pork.
So is it fish or vegetable?
Pork.
Okay. So I tried the
Do you want a bit of rice?
spring roll.
Spring roll is right.
I like it. It's so different from our noodles. They have like put it uncooked. This is up. So now I can just mix it up with the vegetables and eat it. It's not like in Indian noodles where we boil the noodles and eat it. Yeah.
Isn't it spicy? Not that.
It doesn't even look spicy. See?
Please taste it, okay?
He just tastes.
When you're leaving it out, yeah.
Suited up.
I'm wearing jeans.
I was like, okay, let's see his boots, and I was like, what?
I was not in the mood. Boots me.
No, it's alright.
Okay, I'll just take his like a shot.
Yeah, start from here, like start from there, and then like put some funny music. She looks pretty. I usually wear it with high hair, but it's obviously.
It's too cold.
No, I'm okay. Hey, is this a new one from H&M? Yeah. They're from H&M, by the way. Oh. They're from Marks and Spencer. Oh. No, don't take it. Don't